have fine flat hair and you use product and you find that no matter what product you use, your hair gets greasy and flat looking and you just hate how it feels with product, I'm here to tell you that I have one product that I guarantee, no matter how fine or how thin your hair is, it will not make your hair more flat or more greasy or look worse than when you started. And that is dry texture products. Either a dry texture powder or a dry texture spray. These are two of my favorite dry volumizing products. This is the Puff Me Volumizing Powder, and it is literally a powder that comes out with a little poof. Some of them will come out in more of a shaker, and it's the same thing. I do love the Puff Me little poofy, and I think a lot of brands have since adopted that style as well. It just makes it easier to direct the puff where you want it, as opposed to shaking it in a bunch, dumping out where you don't really want it to go. So that is the Puff Me Volumizing Powder. Love it. It is 100% dry, so it is definitely not going to wet your hair in any way. Therefore, it is not going to add weight. These products are so weightless that they are awesome for fine, flat hair. And then we have Volumizing Texture Spray. This is a dry texture spray. I kind of equate it to if hairspray and dry shampoo had a baby. When this stuff sprays out, it is a dry powder that comes out. It is not wet, but it does have hold like a hairspray. So it's a powder like a dry shampoo, but it has a hold element to it like a hairspray, and therefore you could use it instead of hairspray if you've curled your hair and you find hairspray just doesn't do it. Well, it's because hairspray is quite heavy. It coats your hair and it will weigh fine hair down, pulling out those curls. Dry texture spray is the way to go. Not only will it give you oomph in your hair, but it will also help your hair hold any styles that you've created. These dry texture products are what you need if you have fine flat hair. They will not weigh your hair down. And even though I do encourage you to still experiment with some mousses and some smoothing products for your fine hair, because I promise once you find the right ones, they can also do wonders for your hair. In the very least, if you have never felt like you can use any volumizing products to make your hair fuller and fluffier and hold some shape and style, then these are the products to try for you. You can find them in my Amazon storefront and they are must-haves, but honestly, most brands do carry dry volumizing products, whether it's in a powder or a spray or both. Experiment, see which ones you like. Some of them are going to have more hold, some of them are going to create more texture, some of them you're going to find are going to give more volume. I can only tell you the ones I like the most, but they might not be the same ones you like the most, because everyone's going to love something different for their hair. But try them out, experiment, have some fun. Don't write your hair off as being flat and boring just because you have a fine hair texture. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions or need me to recommend any more products for you guys. And send me a message or let me know in the comments if you are successful in finally finding a product that you can love and use in your hair. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe, because I post videos every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on YouTube, and every single day over on TikTok, Instagram, and in my YouTube shorts. See you guys later. Bye.